عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. We thank the Almighty Allah, peace and blessings be to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Alhamdulillah, we in Ibn Masood, Dar Tahfidh al-Quran, Sabala. Alhamdulillah, as students resumed from their COVID-19 break, so the school started. Alhamdulillah, I would like to thank Muslim Council of Hong Kong on behalf of Amica Community Center in Uganda for your continued support of food project for the students who are memorizing Quran. We thank you, the supporters, the donors of MCHK, for supporting our students, our kids who are memorizing the Holy Quran. And this is going to be the first delivery of the food packages at Markaz ibn Masood. Alhamdulillah, we managed to buy rice. As you can see, we have rice here, very fine, and the beans as well. We also have cooking oil. As you can see, we have salt, we have soap, bars of soap, we have a wheat flour, we have sugar here, alhamdulillah, and we also have maize flour. As you can see, we thank our donors and supporters. Keep supporting Amica Community in Uganda, keep supporting Muslims around the world. We thank Brother Adiz Malik for your continued support towards our ummah, mashallah. وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم والحمد لله رب العالمين.